CakeMania sugar, and I'm gonna win.
Hi, I'm Goatex, popularly known as Cake Priest Santiago. Live and direct in Uyo, CakeMania 2021.
I'm Anifio Johnson, and I'm here for CakeMania 2021. It's really good to be here, I tell you, and thanks for having me.
Hello everyone, my name is Esoiso, Creative Director, Big Exit and Cakes. I'm here at the CakeMania Arena. I want to say that I'm very impressed by what I have seen. CakeMania, it's a stride from Akwa Ibom that helps to develop young people and young bakers to achieve their dreams. I would say that CakeMania is the future. CakeMania, it's keep looking out for CakeMania.
My name is Onofio just a Nigerian citizen who love what young people are doing within the realm of creativity and innovations.
So for CakeMania, is this your first experience with them?
This is actually my first experience. That's why I don't want to miss it. I missed CakeMania 1, I missed 2, and I gave myself a commitment that I'm not going to miss them.
Amazing, and believe me when I say that your time here will be worthwhile.
These are our competitors and exhibitors. Competitors are the ones up, and exhibitors are the ones inside. I want to give special shout out to all our sponsors and partners. I want to start Bonero Cakes and Event, Jigo, Hagglex, TruthX, Baker's Choice, amazing stuff. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you're having fun inside. It's going to be amazing. It's the Goatex, the greatest of all times experience, guys. Anticipate CakeMania 4. Ha! Ha!
Tell us your name and why you're here.
My name is Brave Lawrence. I am here for, first of all, a celebration, like she said, a celebration. I've heard of CakeMania for like a while and I've always planned to attend. And this year, I'm like, it fell on my birthday, so I have to attend. So I'm here.
I'd like to advise the young bakers. The baking industry is very lucrative and there's money.
Yeah, there's money.
There's money.
There's money.
Gone with the days we used to hear that there was no money in cake. Now there's money in cake. So come into the industry, get trained professionally. That is where you make most of your money. So get trained professionally, get into the industry. And
my name is Nini, but you can call me Nini.
Nini, okay. All right, Nini, how are you doing, by the way?
Great.
You look good.
Yeah.
I like your outfit.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so let me ask you real quick. Is this your first time attending CakeMania?
No, it's my second time.
Awesome. And how has the experience been?
Great. I mean, moving from steps to step, like better height, and I'm really proud of you.
Wow, amazing. I like that. You know, someone is really, really proud of you. You're doing amazingly. All right, so real quick, you said you're having an amazing time, and it has been worth your time all the way. All right, so for those who are not here, just tell them one thing.
You missed a great show.
How many people were here at 2018? How many people were here at 2019? Now, can you please clap for growth? Enjoy excellence that we stand for. Enjoy creativity. Enjoy CakeMania 3.
No get back. You want to say get back? No get front. You want to say get front? Get back. No get sense. Ladies and gentlemen, good night.
Telling a woman to dress well should just be a means to enhance decency, because house girls who do not wear bikinis still have their orgasm putting them on their knees.
Cause you give me sugar.
You give me sugar.
When did religion become the way forward in a nation that requires technology? I am not saying religion is bad, but what use is religion when we blame the devil, but the real demons are the leaders in the church? This is where I've been told to go.
Ever live baking competition of its kind happening here in the city of Uyo, Akwa Ibom State.
water here. See your water.
The third position goes to contestant number 3. The second position goes to contestant number 8. So the official winner of CakeMania 3 is contestant number 4.
CakeMania show.